Hi everyone, today I'm making a video on multiverses. You can see here that I'm Morty. So I'm Morty and there's Shaggy. And I'm seeing if I can beat Shaggy with only one joystick. So look at me. I'm playing on my Xbox right now. This is the joystick that makes me move, right, and stuff. And this is the joystick that makes me attack, look. And I only have one option, and I'm going with attack joystick, and I have to beat him. So yeah, challenge starts now. So, as you can see, I can also move with this joystick. Look, see, if I keep attacking, I can keep moving. And I'm Morty. Because there's like neutral attack. Okay. But I can also do this. Yeah, like that. Okay. So yeah, I just had this crazy idea to do this video and stuff. Okay, so okay guys. So yeah, I'm kind of just like I'm right here. And like you can joystick. See, look. And stuff. So yeah. I'm only using one joystick and I'm not using any of the buttons. So, okay. So guys, if you get this video to 3 likes, I'll do this again, but with a different character, not Morty, a different person. Okay, ready? So let's just keep doing it. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately. Is he dead yet? Oh, he's not even dead yet? It takes a long time for him to die. Oh, does this make you move? Oh, that also makes you move? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think he's dying. Yay! We did it! We killed him. But he comes back to life because I'm in training mode. So yeah. Guys, yeah. That was short. So, I think I'm going to do one other character. I wish Rick was out. Because Rick's coming out, but he's not out yet, which is sad. Come on, gotta get Rick out. So I can do this. So look. So I'm Morty. And okay, so my 2 favorite characters other than Morty obviously are Finn and Jake, the Adventure Time people. But my favorite out of both of those is Jake. So Jake, I'm going with Jake. Jake's cool. And also he just got this new skin or whatever. It's like a Jake the whatever or something. Okay. So let's go. So yeah. Look guys, so yeah, okay. One joystick and it's gonna be this again. Let's just see his moves. Okay. Oh, that also makes it move too. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna be quick because Jake is really like good. Jake is good. Oh wait, how did I do that ball move thingy? Oh, how do I do? Oh, whoa! What the heck? You see that like spike? Oh no! Oh, how did I do that? I wasn't even pressing any buttons. Okay, so I get a free pass to press the X button. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, so now I'm doing Finn because that was also really quick, and also I like doing this challenge because it's really fun. Oh, Bugs and Tom. Oh my gosh, Tom and Jerry. They got so many good characters, guys. Got Bugs Bunny and come on. Okay, so they got Tom and Jerry and Bugs Bunny. I really want to do the other guys. I am like practicing with Bugs Bunny every single time I play this game for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just really good at him for some reason. I don't know. So let's do Finn, and then if he's short too, we're gonna do Bugs, and if Bugs is short, we're gonna do Tom and Jerry, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. And there's actually some people who I haven't even played with yet. I haven't played with Wonder Woman, Superman. I have, okay, so Shaggy. Well, I have played with Shaggy, but I haven't played with Batman. I haven't played with this girl, Garnet, or whatever. This Era Stark? No, I haven't played with her. Harley Quinn. I haven't played with Harley Quinn. I've played with LeBron. I haven't played with the Rain Dog or whatever. I haven't played with Steven Universe. And those are all the characters that I haven't played with. I haven't played with a lot. I also haven't played with Bulma. So yeah. So anyway. Just do Finn. Finn. There used to be Pajamas Finn, but why did they take it out? Pajamas Finn used to be my favorite character, guys. Why did they take him out? I love Pajamas Finn. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. Whoa. Oh wait, I forgot we're doing a challenge. Okay, so one joystick challenge. One joystick challenge. Oh my. Oh, I can. Oh wow. I'm doing the. I can jump with only one joystick with Finn. Oh my. This is crazy. Oh, I can't access my like dive. Oh. Oh yeah, he gotta die. How did he not die then? He should have died. He should have died. Come on, die. Die. Oh yeah. Oh, how did he die here? Shaggy. Oh yeah, he killed him. That was very quick. That was only like, oh my god. That was really quick. Okay, we're doing Bugs. Just why not? Bugs. Oh yeah, I forgot. They added like new characters to Bugs. We got this Bugs, Mac Bugs, and then the regular Bugs. Okay. So, yeah, we're doing Bugs.
That kind of tickle.
Cold. So why not? And also, you can see my things and stuff. I don't even like this. Why is this here? This is my little sister's. Yeah, there's stuff here. Okay, so let's be Bugs. Okay, one joystick challenge with Bugs. Oh, what the heck? That's how I throw pies at people. Bugs can throw pies. Oh, Bugs can kick people. Oh my!
Kick at this one.
Oh, I want to kick it. Oh, Oh, died. This is how I'm having a blast. I'm having a blast. Oh, I'm having a blast here. What if I just do this the whole time? Just rubbing that joystick. And nothing's happening. Oh, now I can face him and then go. I like throwing pies. This is a great character. Bugs is amazing. But it's gonna be really hard to kill with bugs. With only one joystick, it's really hard with bugs. Yeah, there's only like 3 moves with bugs. Wow. Let's see if I can kick him up to space now. that was amazing. That was amazing. Did you see me? I just went like, and then he just went like flying up like wee. Okay, so yeah, that was also short. So we're doing Tom and Jerry. I'm just making excuses to do more characters in this video, guys, cause I love this game. It is so fun. This video has been like only like 11 minutes, like 12 minutes, like 12 minutes already. Okay. Oh, what the heck? They added new. Oh, I didn't know they added new skins to Tom and Jerry. They got pirates, Tom and Jerry. They got detectives, Tom and Jerry. Oh my gosh, and they got regular Tom and Jerry. I'm just gonna be regular Tom and Jerry, cause yeah. Look at this. That's cool. Okay, so I'm only. Oh, what the? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gonna be even harder with Tom and Jerry. How did I do the tennis thing? Oh my. Okay, so this is only one joystick. I can't believe that Tom and Jerry, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. How do I like shoot him up into space though? Do I just do that? Oh, what the? How did I even do that? Okay, I got a free pass to press X. Okay, I want him to die. Come on, just die. Oh, how does he not die? Okay, I'm in a sticky situation right now. Okay, this is gonna be hard with Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is really hard with one joystick. Oh no. I think I'll kill him eventually. Oh, he's gonna die soon. Yeah, he's dying soon. He's gonna die really soon. Oh, he's dead. How is he not dead? Okay, he's gonna die soon. How is he not dead yet? He's gotta die. Yay! Okay, I killed him, finally. This video's been 14 minutes long. Okay, so. Oh, like 15, I think. Yeah, 15 minutes. Okay, so if you want to watch the... Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm only going to be playing the characters that I've played with before. Because I've played maybe less. I'm playing with Shaggy. I don't want to do Shaggy though. Shaggy's so bad. I don't like it. Shaggy's recommended. Who recommends Shaggy? He's like. I would recommend Jake the dog because he's good, and Finn the human too. Why? No. Look at that. Look, Finn, nothing above. But look, when you go to Shaggy, it says recommended. I don't care. I don't want to do Shaggy. He's bad. Iron Giant because he's cool and stuff. Iron Giant.
I totally.
So I'm just gonna. Oh yeah. Oh no. What did I get myself into here? Oh no. I guess that's kind of. I wish. Oh no. I think this is gonna be bad. Okay, so this is all the things that he does with the joystick, which is very bad. So I'm basically just gonna do this to him the whole time. So yeah, if you wanna, yeah. I might do other moves like this and stuff. I can't reach him. Come on, let me reach him. I'm heating thing. Oh no. Why does this keep happening? You gotta free press to press X. Oh my god, how did I do that? How did I do that? I went like a step forward for some reason. Why protect friend? Protect friend. What? I really want to press Y and see. Well, I know what happens when you press Y, but like I can't. You turn into like a crazy dude, but you can't because I only have one leg. That's very sad. Okay, is he dying soon? Come on, he's gotta die soon. Okay, he died. Okay, so are we doing any more here? Because I really love this game, guys. This is like a crazy game. Put with Taz. Oh, I want to do Taz. Why not? Why did I not do Taz yet? Taz is amazing. Oh yeah, he's got new skins too. He's got this skin. He's got that. Okay, Taz. Tasmanian Devil. Look at that. Okay, he can do that. He can do. Oh, what? That. And that's all I can do? That's all he can do? Oh, I wish I could eat him! Because then he turns into like chicken or something. Okay, this is gonna take a really long while. Okay. Oh, can I just do that? Oh yeah, he turned into a chicken. Chicken sandwich. Yeah, I love doing this. Oh wait, if I just do this. Oh. Oh no. Doing it. Charging it up. Dang it. Doing it. I'm charging it. Oh, it doesn't work when you charge it? I thought it like worked. So guys, yeah. This is so after Taz, I think I'm gonna like say bye because like this video's been like 19 minutes. Baby, let's get it to 20 minutes. I don't know why. 20 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that was that. And if you're wondering what these controllers are for, those are for the Nintendo Switch. So yeah, that's for another episode. Okay, it's 20 minutes long. Bye. See you later. Yeah, hope you stick to the end. Cause almost fell. Okay, bye guys. See you later.